Setting boundaries in relationships can be so tough. It can bring up lots of different feelings: guilt, shame, doubt, particularly if we have a history of pleasing others. Yes, I'm talking about good old people pleasing. So by no means are they easy to put in place and stick to, but doing so can be massively important for your mental health and your well-being. Not only do they help strengthen our relationships, they improve our self-esteem, our confidence, even our assertiveness. So could any of these tips help you and your relationships when it comes to boundary setting? First, identify what it is that you need. We have no chance in the world of communicating what we need to anyone until we know ourselves. So take some time to reflect on what's most important to you, what's acceptable, and just as important, what is not acceptable. Understanding what you need is the first step to protecting your needs. 2, communicate what you need. Boundaries are about expressing what you're comfortable with in a way that's respectful, but it's also firm. So whether it's saying that you're not going to accept someone's behavior, or maybe it's asking to be treated in a different way, or saying no to that social event when you would just rather duvet dive on a sofa. Try and be as clear and as direct as you can about what it is that you need. Once you've done that, 3, it's really important. You need to stick to your boundaries. This is where we can sometimes wobble a little or a lot. Once you've set your boundaries, it is up to you to maintain them and protect them. And that might feel so uncomfortable at first, but remember, you are not being selfish. You're taking care of yourself, and taking care of you helps you to take care of others. To me, boundaries serve as a bridge that helps us to connect with others in an honest way. They define you, they define your values, and understanding and communicating them is an essential part of creating that sense of connection and emotional honesty with another human being. Finally, 4, respect the boundaries of others. Just as you have the right to set your own boundaries, so does everyone else. And side note, especially or even when you might not agree with them. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and mutual understanding, and setting boundaries can be really challenging, especially if you're not used to it, but it is a crucial step in maintaining your mental health and building strong, respectful relationships. Always remember, social media videos are not therapy. Support is out there.